Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of military innovation with our special feature on future weapons of 2025. These 5 cutting-edge technologies are not just upgrades, they are game changers that could redefine the very nature of warfare. From deadly precision to unmatched speed, these weapons are built to dominate land, sea, air, and even cyberspace. Let's get into it. Starting off, the first weapon is the Hypersonic glide vehicle. On the exterior, this weapon is designed with sleek, aerodynamic lines, covered in heat-resistant material to withstand atmospheric re-entry at over Mach 5 speeds. It's often launched from traditional ballistic missiles, but the vehicle itself separates and glides unpredictably, making it nearly impossible to intercept. Inside, it contains sophisticated navigation and warhead delivery systems, all packed in a compact frame that's designed for minimal radar signature. The performance is nothing short of terrifying, capable of flying over 6,000 kilometers in under 10 minutes while maneuvering mid-air. In terms of safety, the vehicle uses multiple encrypted guidance systems to prevent hijacking or deviation. The unique selling point here is its combination of speed, stealth, and unpredictability. The price for a single unit can range anywhere from $50 million to $100 million, depending on the platform and payload. In conclusion, this weapon is not just fast, it's nearly untouchable, giving nations a devastating first strike capability. Next is the AI-powered autonomous drone swarm. Externally, these drones are small, lightweight, and modular. Each unit can operate solo or as part of a swarm formation, typically resembling a mix between quadcopters and fixed-wing drones. Internally, they are packed with AI chips, real-time data link systems, and miniaturized payload bays for either surveillance or munitions. Performance-wise, they can fly for hours, identify targets independently, and execute coordinated attacks without human intervention. Safety features include geofencing, self-destruct capabilities in case of capture, and real-time monitoring from command centers. Their biggest selling point is that they overwhelm enemy defenses with sheer numbers, operating like a digital hive mind. Costs vary depending on size and function, with tactical units starting at just $20,000 each and strategic swarm packages exceeding $5 million. The conclusion is clear: drone swarms are fast becoming the future of both offense and defense, replacing manned missions with relentless automation. Now let's talk about the directed energy weapon, commonly referred to as the laser weapon. Its exterior resembles a large turret system, typically mounted on ships, trucks, or even aircraft. It looks minimalistic but menacing, with a large focusing lens at the front. Internally, it contains high-capacity power sources, thermal cooling systems, and targeting algorithms. Its performance is revolutionary. It can fire energy beams at the speed of light, silently disabling drones, missiles, and even aircraft in mid-air. Safety-wise, these systems are equipped with multiple firelocks, energy containment systems, and strict targeting parameters to avoid friendly fire. What sets it apart is the fact that it fires at near zero cost per shot, no need for expensive ammunition. The initial setup can cost around $10 to $40 million, but operational costs are drastically lower than traditional weapon systems. In conclusion, laser weapons are not just cost-efficient, they're clean, fast, and extremely effective against airborne threats. Fourth on the list is the next-generation combat exoskeleton. From the outside, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie: an armored frame that wraps around the soldier's body, enhancing strength, endurance, and agility. Inside, the suit contains hydraulics, energy systems, targeting HUDs, and data feeds connected to battlefield networks. It allows soldiers to lift heavy gear, run longer, and take more damage than ever before. Performance metrics show a 300% boost in physical endurance and a 200% increase in carrying capacity. Safety is ensured through reinforced armor plating, emergency shutdown systems, and biofeedback monitors to prevent physical overload. Its unique selling point is clear: it turns every soldier into a force multiplier. Price-wise, early models cost between $500,000 to $1 million per unit, though mass production could bring costs down. In conclusion, the exoskeleton redefines infantry combat by merging man and machine into a single, efficient combat unit. Lastly, we have the autonomous ground combat vehicle, or robotic tank. From the outside, these tanks resemble their manned counterparts but are slightly smaller and sleeker, without the need for crew compartments. Inside, it's all high-tech AI processors, autonomous driving modules, threat detection systems, and heavy weaponry. Performance tests show it can engage enemies at long range, patrol hostile areas, and even coordinate with aerial drones, all without direct human control. Safety features include remote kill switches, encrypted communication, and smart friend ortho recognition. The unique advantage is that these tanks reduce the risk to human life while increasing mission duration and battlefield awareness. Prices start at $3 million and can go as high as $10 million for heavily armed variants. The conclusion is that these machines are the backbone of future land warfare, relentless, tireless, and precise. All 5 of these future weapons are transforming how wars will be fought in 2025 and beyond. Hypersonic weapons bring unmatched speed, drones deliver scalable attacks, lasers change cost dynamics, exoskeletons supercharge soldiers, and robotic tanks lead with automation. The price of these systems may be high, but in the new age of war, speed, autonomy, and adaptability are more valuable than ever. These aren't just weapons, they're entire systems designed to dominate every domain of warfare. As nations race to develop and deploy them, one thing is certain, the battlefield of 2025 will look nothing like today. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe to Future Force for more updates on next-gen military technology.